fascia. The way that this technology works is it goes deep in and it penetrates, reaching up to 7 inches deep, and it has magnetic waves that are applied to all the surrounding tissue. And it works at a cellular level. It penetrates into the tissues, and it kind of gets into all the nooks and crannies of everything that's involved, because it's broad-based and deep, to help set the stage for your recovery. So this technology specifically helps to decrease pain and decreases inflammation, and it helps to jumpstart the healing process. In this one, a lot of times people will feel either a light contraction. Sometimes people feel a deep ache, but it's manageable. It's not something really uncomfortable. And this is something that you can do right over clothing also. And then another benefit of this is that if you have more than one issue, like let's say you're coming in for your knee, but you also have a thumb that hurts, you can put your thumb in there too. Yeah, so that's another bonus.